Full script with markers. Must be 1200 plus words. Hook asterisk. What if an AI discovered a stock market pattern humans missed for 20 years? 3 months ago, John had no idea that AI would change his life forever. Setup asterisk. John, a 28-year-old tech enthusiast from San Francisco, was always on the lookout for ways to make money online using AI. He spent countless hours testing various AI tools, from chatbots to predictive analytics. But nothing prepared him for what he was about to discover. Rising action asterisk. John stumbled upon 2 cutting-edge AI tools, Dreamina Seedance 2.0 and Pippit. Both promised to revolutionize investing by uncovering hidden patterns in the stock market. Intrigued, John decided to put them to the test. He started by analyzing historical stock data, looking for any anomalies that might indicate a hidden pattern. As days turned into weeks, John noticed something peculiar. While both tools provided valuable insights, there were subtle differences in their predictions. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 seemed to focus more on long-term trends, while Pippit excelled at short-term fluctuations. This led John to wonder which tool was truly superior. Complications asterisk. Just when John thought he had it figured out, things took an unexpected turn. One day, while reviewing the data, he noticed a pattern that neither tool had flagged. It was a small anomaly, almost imperceptible, but it hinted at a larger truth. John dug deeper, cross-referencing the data with other sources. To his astonishment, he realized that this pattern had been present for over 20 years, yet no human analyst had ever spotted. This discovery raised more questions than answers. How could such a significant pattern go unnoticed for so long? And more importantly, could AI tools like Dreamina Seedance 2.0 and Pippit help uncover similar patterns in the future? John was determined to find out. Climax asterisk. As John continued his investigation, he fed the newly discovered pattern into both AI tools. The results were astonishing. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 not only confirmed the existence of the pattern, but also predicted its future behavior with remarkable accuracy. On the other hand, Pippit struggled to replicate the same level of precision. This was the turning point. John realized that while both tools had their strengths, Dreamina Seedance 2.0 was the clear winner in this particular scenario. It had successfully identified a pattern that humans had missed for decades, proving its superiority in long-term trend analysis. Resolution asterisk. Armed with this newfound knowledge, John began implementing the insights from Dreamina Seedance 2.0 into his investment strategy. The results were immediate and impressive. His portfolio grew significantly thanks to the accurate predictions provided by the AI tool. John's experience highlighted the power of AI in uncovering hidden patterns and making informed decisions. It also underscored the importance of choosing the right tool for the job. While Pippit excelled in short-term analysis, Dreamina Seedance 2.0 proved to be the better choice for long-term investors. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the sister's revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Disclaimer: this content is not financial advice. Always consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. Stay tuned for our next video, where we explore another groundbreaking AI discovery that could change the way you invest forever.